So, welcome back to a new vlog. It's currently Friday night, just finished work, and we're just having a bit of a chilled out evening. Kids are playing with their tablets. Lewis has made a mess of Paw Patrol all over the floor. Sky's chilling. Hey Sky. JJ's chilling on his tablet there as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below how your week's been, and if you've got any plans. Well, the weekend's already gone. What you've been up to over the weekend as well. So yeah. Nikki's currently in here playing on her phone. I think she's trying to look at some different bits because we've got some plans for the people's birthdays. Hey Sophia!
I know who the new head teacher is now.
Nobody cares.
Miss Birch.
Nobody cares. Anyway, so yeah, that's currently what we're getting up to on this Friday evening. So, we're now on the first step of heading out. We've come shopping again on Friday night, but this time we're in Cannock. We're in our own bargains. Places we want to go. Nikki wants to get this done tonight so that we ain't got to do it tomorrow. So yeah, we can have a bit more of a chilled weekend. So yeah. So we're now currently at Dunelm. Yeah, Nikki's just gone and grab something. As you can see, the seat's not empty. Kids are still in the back. You know, there's Severe. They're just chilling in the back, eating their tea. Yeah, so while Nikki just runs it, as I said, nothing. So the kids getting out and running around. Quick thing, and then it's off to the next step. So we're now in Asda. We're now at Asda because we need to get some stuff from here as well. Is this the last shop we need to go to, babe? Or we got any more?
Sainsbury's.
Oh, and then we got to call it Sainsbury's as well for some.
Unless we can get the out later.
We'll have a look, see if we've got the school shoes because Jack needs some new school shoes. So yeah, joys of having kids. So back home now. We've got a couple of cushions because our cushions in the lounge have gone to think, and we've got some other bits as well. So yeah, that is what we're currently doing. Trying to sort the kids out, and then it's maybe put Lewis to bed and then have some tea. Okay, so got the opening party for the caravan in about a month and a bit's time, and it's cowboy themed. I think the first year we were ever there, I think we had a cowboy theme. So I've just dug out my costume that I bought back then. I've already got a good. I've only got one older. I think one of them was Sophia's. I think you just got to put in my bag. So yeah, I think that might have been Sophia's as well.
She's got one in there.
Oh, okay, I don't know. Well, we've always got.
Unless we bought that separately for me.
I think maybe.
Oh, bless you.
So yeah, that's what my outfit is. So yeah, dug it out. So Lewis has gone off to bed, and it's time for a bit of tea. We had a cooked meal at dinner time. We had a steak dinner, steak and things at dinner. Nikki's got her egg sandwiches, and she's just doing some the caravan admin. Got Sky and James. Got Sophia, who's not very well. You okay, Sophia? Send your best wishes to her in the comments. She's probably going to be better by the time this video comes out, but yeah, she's not very well. So yeah, just got to watch a bit of YouTube. So Lewis and Sophia and James even have gone off to bed, and I'm just going to play a bit of PlayStation. Oh, put my code in wrong. Nikki's still working on a cross stitch. Having fun there, babe. And Nikki's just had a costume for the opening party delivered as well. She's going as a cowgirl, but obviously not with the Minnie Mouse Disney t-shirt that she's just obviously because she wears it. I think she's got fun of it, I think. So yeah. So finished playing FIFA. Well, EFC, whatever you call it nowadays. And now just going to watch a bit of Love Island. Random cream egg advert on the telly. So just had a phone call off my brother. And it was presentation night down the club. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go as originally because obviously we didn't find out till late. Nikki was meant to go out with one of her friends, so but unfortunately that got cancelled. So I'd already said that to Nikki. I was like, well, it's easy trying to find a babysitter. So I won't go to presentation night. She can go out with a friend, but unfortunately it got cancelled. I think it was too late for me to sort of get a ticket. So, but I did actually win. As you've just seen from my trophy, the Baton Award, which means I scored the most runs for the 15 last year. So I can go up with my other ones that are up there. Well, not the football, but the two in the middle. I think I've won it for the last 3 years for the 15. So yeah, all good. Back to watching a bit of Love Island. So quick break from Love Island. We've turned the darts on. We're going to watch the Luke the Nuke. Nikki's still doing a cross stitch. Having fun there, babe. Joys of kids. Unfortunately, Sophia's just come down and has been sick in her bed, so we've had to go and change her bed. So we're still not watching the darts though. Now got Luke Humphries on the telly. Nikki's playing on her phone, still doing a cross stitch. Having fun there, babe? Cool. Welcome back to Saturday morning. It's currently around 9 o'clock, 9:05. I'm going out of bed, so I had to go and have a quick shower and a shave. So yeah, just time for a bit of breakfast. Got some Weetabix and cornflakes. Kids are eating in there. Fortunately, we had a bit of a rough night, and Tavia's not very well. She was a bit sick in the night. And then apparently Louis screamed at Arthur and woke Nikki up as well, so joys of kids. But yeah, today's plans, I think we've got, well, James has got a party, so Nikki's taking to that. And then yeah, see what else to do. Probably take the dog for a walk, have a bit of a chilled out Saturday. So this is how we trying to get Lewis to eat his breakfast, feeding it to all the Toy Story characters. Lewis doesn't want to eat any at all.
I think Snickers once.
So, a couple of hours has passed since our last clip, I think, it's nearly 11 o'clock. Yeah, we've just been doing some sort of admin stuff at home and just like sort of stuff around the house, nothing too big. And now I feel like I've come to my second home at the moment. Sainsbury's in Cannock, because I've gone to Argos and ordered, with me and Nikki, ordered a couple of bits of fitness bits to try and help us, so yeah. So I'm going to go and collect them. So, back from Argos. Nikki's building the some Mario thing with the boys. Sophia's currently in bed, she's not very well. And I've glad things, so we've picked up some push-up bars, a yoga mat and like an ab worker. So hopefully they won't take up too much room. But yeah, hopefully try and keep on the fitness grind. So this is what I've just built, the ab cruncher. Lewis is trying to have a go, but I don't think he's big enough. He's not meant to work like that, Lewis. So, time for a bit of lunch. Got myself a ham, cucumber and coleslaw wrapped and tomatoes. There is a baby bell bone under there, some almond yoghurt. Lewis is having croissants. Following dinner, Nikki's gone to take James to his party. So, well, Sophia's resting up in bed. So it's me, Sky, and we've got Lewis who's playing. Hey Lewis!
Hi.
What are you doing? He's just playing ball with all on the floor. And this is what Lewis is now doing now. He's playing on the tablet. Here he comes. Yo, Lewis. You're going to have a play with your toys now. Now you're coming over to me. Hide.
I'm not lying.
No, I didn't. Sky's coming to him. Hi, Sky. Oh, no. I'm being Skyed in Lulu bed. Oh, no. Yay. They're back from the party. You have a good time at the party, JJ?
Oh, yeah.
And now they're out tucking into cake. It's Lewis's thing, and I also emptying the party bag. So, carrying on with the fitness thing, we can't really go out for a walk because of severe, so we can't go out for a walk together. So Nikki's doing she's using my thing that I bought, that I stick under my desk when I'm working. She's using the thing. You can't stop, Bab. Nah, and she's also looking at the slow cooker book. You hungry? So, time for a bit of tea. Got some sweet potato fries, broccoli, mozzarella sticks, and there's some chicken sausages underneath as well. Lewis has got mash, and James had food at the party, so he's had chicken noodle chips. And Sophia's not very well, so Nikki's got the same as well, me. Finished tea. Lewis hasn't ate all his tea. Boys are watching Peppa. I've just done a bit of about another 20 odd minutes on my thing. Nikki's chilling over there. I think Sky's going to sleep standing up. So yeah. Go on, what we're doing. So, just gone to fill Sophia's drink up, and I've made her some toast and some couple of biscuits because obviously not very well, so just to keep her something dry. Yeah, not the most thing, but I think so. So, Lewis has gone off to bed. Sophia's now joined us. Feeling a bit better now, Sophia. Good. And we got JJ munching his way through his crisps. So yeah, time to watch a bit of Gladiators. So, we've had a change around. I'm now sat over here. I'm sat over here for ages. Hey babe, you're doing your cross stitch. And Sophia and James are playing on the switch over there. And I'm watching the darts. And Sky, what have you come over here for now? So yeah. We're sitting over here. Sophia and James have now gone off to bed. Nikki's still doing a cross stitch. We had some of the Christmas chocolates out. I think he's now literally just chocolate eclairs left. We're just watching some more Love Island. We just watched the rest of the darts, obviously Little One, and then Humphreys and Woodhouse had a very good close game. We came down to pretty much the final thing, so yeah. Oh, did you enjoy that, Nikki? Watching the darts? You any good? Are you going to start banging in some treble 20s then? Oh, okay. So, it's currently around Well, it's just gone past midnight. I think we're going to end the night here. So, catch you guys in the AM. Welcome back to a new vlog. Not a new vlog. Welcome back to Sunday morning even. It's about 10:15. We got up about 9 o'clock. Kids have had breakfast. We've just made some sausage things. Just using up stuff in the freezer. Yeah, weight loss. Nikki lost another £2 this week, but I put another $400 back on. But as I said to Nikki, I haven't really done a lot this week, to be honest. So, yeah. Obviously, with Severe not being very well, so we're able to go out and do a lot. So, it's what it is. One of them days. So, yeah. There's Sophia. She's definitely feeling a lot better this morning, aren't you, Bab? So, yeah. See what the day has to bring. So, off on a dog walk. Heading out the house. We've got Lewis and his Mini. Driving along with Bluey. Sophia's carrying rubble. JJ's in Spider-Man. And Sky's just walking along. Oh, glad to be out the house, to be fair. So, just on a come for a walk, and we've come to our favourite of the fact, taking out Morrison's here to get some squash. So, yeah, Joyce. Lewis is still in his car. Back from our walk, and now we're chilling. I was going to have some lunch and just have a bit of a chill. We haven't really got anything else we need to do, so you can have a bit of a chill Sunday afternoon. You enjoy going out in this trike, Lewis? Or not trike, your car, your Mini. Here you go, Lewis. You want bacon? Medicine. Oh, poor Lulu Bear. Elder tour upstairs. You're watching some more darts. Lewis is... I don't know where Lewis is. Got some dip and got some crisps for our lunch. You be the next little Lewis. You practice him. Don't think he works like that, Lewis. You have to throw it. You're placing them on. You're practicing. So, kids and Nikki are back from next door. I don't know what I've told you in the last clip, but they're just having a play. Nikki's looking at stuff on her phone. I've been watching the darts. So yeah, that's currently what we're doing. Just having a bit of a chilled out Sunday afternoon. Kids are making a mess. Hopefully they're going to clear it all up afterwards. So, time for a roast dinner. Got a pork dinner. With Mickey and Nikki, so there's kids in there. That's the kids all now in bed. And we're now sitting watching the darts. Well, semi-finals and the finals. Hopefully Littler will make it through and then he'll win. Nikki's continuing with the costage. Sky looks like she's going to sleep. So yeah, that's what we're currently doing. And that's Luke into the fight. Luke Littler into the final. You're right there, babe. Is that stressful? So yeah. Now to watch the other semi-final. That one isn't a bit of a less of a stressful. It was a 5-0 win for Luke Humphries. Is that one a bit less stressful, babe? Yeah. Who's winning the final?
Hopefully.
Somebody called Luke. Yeah. It's the battle of the Lukes. Where 1 versus 2. Sky's very interested in the darts as well. Currently 5-4 to Luke Humphries. First to 6. Is he going to win? Or is Littler going to get another comeback, Bab? What do you reckon? I say, oh, I don't know. Sky's in thrall as ever. So yeah, that is our... and he's done it. Even Nikki let out a little yes as well. So yeah, that's another good one. Anyway, I think it's pretty much going to be our bedtime. I'm going to end this vlog here. If you have enjoyed it, then please drop it a like and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell because we do tend to do one live session pretty much a weekend. So get involved as well. We get obviously our regulars coming in there. So let's see a few more people. But yeah, if that's everything, bye for now.